Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Classic Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You're going to take easy profits, you're going to take personal guidance every day, and you're going to know where the market is going. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day, let's start. So for now, Luna Classic has been going down. Okay, we are correcting from the 0.3037 and we are not having any huge price action in the last few hours. We are going to explain with professionalism, as we always do here on Mind Your Crypto, what is the most probable outcome out of this squeezing point, and of course, what are the next price targets. So stay tuned. First of all, let's see why do we have this sideways price movement and where it will lead. Now, whenever you are seeing this one right here, that the price is floating above the 50-day EMA and below the 20-day EMA, it is usually a case that we are going to have a correction. Okay, we are expecting a correction from Luna Classic. Right now, what's the case for Luna Classic? It is that we are forming a lower high and a higher low pattern. Whenever we do that, we are getting into a squeeze point, and usually the price and the volume actually is decreasing while the price is making lower highs and higher lows. Okay, so in this price action right there, we are getting minimized volume. So we are expecting a huge price action coming in for the next 1 to 2 days, probably for Luna Classic. After a downtrend that we are forming right here, you can see that we are having lower highs, as we talked about, and higher lows. This indicates that we are having a bearish pennant. Okay, usually this is a bearish pennant. Sometimes it can turn out as a neutral triangle and we might be going even higher, but most likely this is a bearish pennant. Now the case right here is that we are going to go down within probably, I would say, the next 1 to 2 days. Within the next 1 to 2 days, we are going to get a huge price action coming in. To be honest with you, this is the exact top trend line and bottom trend line, so it ends up being here on 6 October. Okay, maybe tomorrow. For the time being right here, what we are going to do, it is simply, we go down, forming the bearish pennant, going even further down. Now I'm going to tell you the exact price targets you will need to know in order maybe to avoid something bad that's going to happen, or maybe if we have a fake out. For example, we have seen multiple times that we form the bearish pennant, we are going a little bit further down, but at the end of the day we get higher. Now, what are the next price targets and what are we anticipating for Luna Classic? I'm going to the 1 hour frame. I want to go a little bit in the 1 hour, and we are going to focus here and we are going to draw the fib from the bottom to this top. Now, what you should be looking at, if we close below in the 4 hour frame, the 0.303228, we are going to go all the way down. Okay, so this is the case right here for Luna Classic. We are going to go all the way down to the 0.302912.9, and this will be a fact that we are having the bearish pennant, and it is very possible that we go all the way right here. First, we are going to retest the 0.3029.7, and secondly, we are going down all the way to this moment. Now, what happens if we are getting a fake out? If we are getting a fake out, we are going to stop here, or maybe a large wick towards this target right there, the 0.3029.7, and then we are going to go even higher, getting and reaching the target of around 0.3031.628. Now, with the lowest chances, but I have to say that, let's assume that this was a neutral triangle and it wasn't a bearish pennant. What are we going to do now? Probably, if this was a neutral triangle, we are going to go, let's say, higher. If we go higher, then we have to close above the 0.3031.628. If you see Luna Classic closing above this line right here, then we are going all the way upwards. But I'm going to be honest with you. The most probable scenario it is right here to form a bearish pennant and go all the way down to below 0.3029.7 into the 0.3029, and we are going to see some other support levels. This time I'm going to get the help of the daily frame. and I'm going to draw the fib from this bottom to this top. You can see that we are getting also rejected from this line, which is important. And right now, the next support level into the logarithmic scale would be to go all the way down to the 0.3028. Is it possible, Bill, to go all the way down there? Yes, it is. Is it possible to go even further down? Yes, it is. 0.3026. Pay attention to these targets in the daily frame, because from there we might be having a nice buying pressure. By the time though that we are making the video, and until the next 1 to 2 days, please be sure do not go long on Luna Classic. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.